The today's topic is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the relation between the electric current and potential difference. The current that flows through the most conductors is directly proportional to the voltage applied to it. Georg Simon Ohm, a German physicist, was the first to verify Ohm's law experimentally. One of the most basic and important law of electric circuit is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the voltage across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided all physical constants and temperatures remains constant. This is the Ohm's law statement. It means Ohm's law only holds true if the provided temperature and the other physical factors remains constant. Then the voltage across the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Mathematically, this current voltage relationship is written as V is equal to IR. In this equation, the constant proportionality R is called as resistance and it has the unit is ohm. And the same formula can be rewritten in order to calculate the current and the resistance respectively. That is I is equal to V by R or R is equal to V by I. Ohm's law only holds true if the provided temperature and the other physical constants R remains constant. The certain components increasing the current rise the increasing in temperature. In this case, Ohm's law cannot be applied.